I'll ask you just a few questions.
Thank you.
Your late brother. How many brothers were you?
We were 5 brothers.
5 brothers.
Yes.
Of the 5 brothers, were you the closest to Mr. Devani?
Not really. I think he was closer to my elder brothers.
He was closer to your elder brother.
Yeah.
What is the name of your elder brother?
Well, we have 4 elder brothers,
Okay.
including him.
Okay.
First was Arvind,
Mm-hmm.
Balkrishna, Mahendra, and Arun.
So he was closer to the 3 more than he was close to you, correct?
Yes.
So was it a surprise that you were called
No.
during the will
We are a
reading?
close-knit family.
Were there other
Closer
brothers
means
present?
somebody you go and discuss everything. We found my brothers were more intellectually qualified to discuss with them.
Okay. And were your brothers present? Were your other brothers present in the will reading?
No, they were not.
Would you know why?
No, I wouldn't know.
Did you talk to them
No.
after that?
No.
Okay.
I thought everybody would have been invited. And
You thought everyone would be invited.
I,
Who do you think sent out the invites?
the lawyers.
The lawyers.
Yeah.
Is that what you were told?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I let you know that it is the husband of Kalpa who wrote to the lawyers requesting them to invite you for the reading of the will, would you believe that if I showed you the email?
Well, look, things are different. Everything is possible.
Everything is possible. So there's a possibility that it was not a call from the lawyers.
But there must be some sort of reasons why he called it. Yeah?
There must have been some sort of reason that Kalpa's husband told the lawyers to call you for the will reading over the other brothers.
Well, the lawyer said they called when in the meeting. They definitely called Shilpa. That they mentioned.
I'm
of
talking
it.
about your brothers, not the daughters of Devani.
Yeah.
Your brothers.
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. So I'm telling you now that on the 7th, the lawyers say, the firm of Dali and Enadma, they say on the 17th June of 2019, we received an email request from Kishan Chandarana. Do you know who that is?
Yes.
We received an email request from Kishan, the son-in-law of the late Balkrishna Devani, to invite the following persons to our offices for the final reading of the will. And we have Miss Sudha Devani. Who is that?
She's wife of my brother who passed.
Okay. Dinta at Pelikan Signs. Who is that?
In the
Miss Shilpa Tejuara. I
Yeah.
hope I'm not mispronouncing.
No, they are correct. I think she refused to come.
Okay. That's the sister in the UK.
Yeah, but she was here in Nairobi, from what you understand at that time.
So she just refused to come.
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Kalpa Chandarana
Yeah.
and Miss Dinta Pathania. And then the 2 executors, P2 Meta, I think that's Babulal
Yes.
and Sandeep.
Yeah.
So it is not the lawyers who reached out for you. It is
I got the invitation through the lawyers.
you got the invitation through the lawyers. Were you benefiting from any way in that will?
No.
No. So that explains why you came at the invite of the lawyers through Kalpa's husband.
No, I was called by somebody from the
From the law firm.
law firm.
Yeah? And the law firm is now saying they were told by Kishan to
I
call
wouldn't know
you.
because I don't deal with that law firm.
That's okay. How long was your late brother sick for?
About a year, from what I know.
About a year. Okay. And you said where was he treated?
Aga Khan Hospital.
Yeah, here in Kenya. And while he was overseas?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. He was treated in London.
Yeah.
And what you've said, what you've read at length to the court is what you were read to persons to a will that was presented to you, correct?
Yes,
And they gave you a certified copy.
they did.
If you check that will, do you notice who was given to pay all the debts of the estate? You can refer to the will.
I think
Who was to inherit the debts of the estate?
I thought it was section by section that whichever plot, it was plot by plot. I think
You've read this will before?
long time ago.
Long time ago.
Yeah, when it was given in 2019.
When it was given. Are you not able to recall who was given the liabilities?
Pelikan Signs was given to Kalpa,
No,
subject
no,
to
answer.
as this.
I'm asking, from this will, we know who was given what, according to
Look,
this
this
will.
legal language I have not studied, and
Yeah.
I cannot comment on it.
From your notes, are you able to tell us?
Yeah, from my notes I can tell you what I heard.
Yeah, I want a very specific information.
Yes.
Who was given the debts of the estate?
There was no one debt. From what
There
I
was no
understood,
one
the
debt.
debts were apportioned. The Pelikan Signs, whoever got the Pelikan Signs, will look after the Sudha's provision, whatever she needed. And the same thing with
Are you able to tell between the three sisters who was given the responsibility of taking care of the debts of the estate? Are you
No.
able to tell?
no, I cannot.
Can I show you?
Yeah,
I mean, you say it's in legal language. I should be able to understand
yeah,
with the presumption that I'm a lawyer, correct?
yeah. I didn't make any note of overall. It was section by section.
It's okay. You can please read paragraph 8.
Subject to payment of my estate duty, if any, debts, funeral and testament expenses, I give and bequeath all my rights and titles in my 2 properties, Nyayo Stadium to my daughter Dinta.
So,
So
from
only
this,
Nyayo Stadium, and
Yeah. From
you
this,
can tell
do
me
you-
my notes that it
yes,
was given.
yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. I just want something to come out, okay? You can tell from this paragraph, it begins by talking about the
It's only
estate
talking
duty
about one
and
particular Nyayo
expenses.
Stadium plot.
It's okay. But who was assigned to deal with the funeral and testamentary expenses?
He's not saying Dinta.
Mhm.
It is a family.
So
in
is your
Hindus,
testimony?
families take care of all these things.
So is it your testimony that the family took care of
No,
the?
I'm not saying anything. I don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened. Did you attend the? I don't know. Do you call it funeral or cremation? I'm not very sure.
Definitely, I did.
Sorry. Yes, when you are doing the final rites of respecting your late brother,
Yeah,
were you present?
I was present
Were you involved in the arrangements?
in the arrangement. No.
Yeah, you were not involved in the arrangements, so you cannot say who took care of the funeral expenses. From your notes and from the will, to the best of what you can understand, you can check from your notes and from the will, according to how you will understand it. Who is the beneficiary of the entire estate of the late Balkrishna, your brother? Who was benefiting from everything? You can check paragraph by paragraph. You can read out if you'd like, or you can give us a summary.
No, I think it's.
What do you
it was
notice? What do you notice? Who was being given this and that and everything?
That's my brother's will.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about.
I don't have to analyze what he is thinking. We are close. Indian families are close. We talk to each other, but we are not involved with each other's.
That is okay.
I would not like to comment on it.
And
Because here it definitely says Dinta gets a plot, somebody gets a plot. I don't know
You
the
know,
values of the plot, and
I am
when
not
you
asking
say
you.
when you
Please bear with
inquire
me.
about the who gets the maximum, the cost of Mombasa Road plot, the Nyayo Stadium plots, I don't know the values. So,
Okay, it's okay. I'll rephrase my question. But please note, we're not asking you
yeah,
to
and that's why I'm not
interpret
complying.
the will.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
you're
just
only
giving you the
reading
facts that I was
exactly.
present at that time. Nobody
The
objected.
same way, I'm being patient with you,
Yes.
respectfully, because of the court's time and because of your age. But you will answer the questions according to the rules of the law. You came to this court to give evidence,
Yes.
and you will give that evidence.
If,
Thank you.
For the things which I know,
Good.
which
Please
I don't know, I
read
cannot.
out the same way you read out during exam in chief. Please read out who is Sudha, who's Sudha Balkrishna?
Is Balkrishna's wife.
That's Balkrishna's wife. To the best of your knowledge, do you know if she was taken care of according to this will, in accordance to this will?
I think they were both the sisters were looking after her very well.
Both sisters were looking after her.
Yeah.
Both sisters being who?
Kalpa and Dinta.
Kalpa and Dinta. Do they get along?
Very much so at that time. I don't know now.
Okay. Okay. So we've established who that is. Let's go to where the properties are being devised. Paragraph 5. We're only reading the will.
I'm a wrong man to ask me about properties.
You know, I'm not asking you according to what you know. I'm asking you according to the will that you
I cannot judge my brother.
It's okay. Nobody is asking you to judge your brother.
Yeah.
Nobody is asking you to comment on properties. I'm only asking you to
You
read
are the
what
experts.
you've presented.
You can sort it out. But
No,
if you ask me,
came to court to give your evidence.
yeah, evidence on the things which
You
I have
brought
been
this
involved
will.
with.
We will ask you
I was
questions
not involved
regarding this will.
in apportioning of the assets with the sisters.
You want to kindly guide the witness. I believe the witness is becoming rude without justifiable cause.
Your Honor, I am not qualified to say who gets what and how.
He has come with this will
Yeah.
and has. Thank you.
What it states, since you are present.
But,
Since you were present during the reading of this will, I will ask you questions on this will, not to interpret it, but only to answer what it is you have already answered at length with my colleague. We've already established who the wife of the deceased is. Please inform the court what the will says with respect to Pelikan Signs Limited. You can either refer to the will or your notes.
says all my
According to the will, who was granted Pelikan Signs.
all my shares are jointly registered in names of my wife Sudha and myself Pelikan in Pelikan Signs Limited, to my daughter Kalpa.
To my daughter Kalpa. That is sufficient. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Who, according to the will, paragraph 5, who, according to the will, was given the cash assets in the bank accounts, including the Bank of Baroda and I&M. You could check your notes or the will under paragraph 6.
Well, subject to payment of my
You don't have
estate
to read
duty.
the entire. You can just tell us who was given that. You said it
But
during
it was given
exam
subject
in
to
chief.
it was given subject to some conditions.
Very well.
So
Go ahead.
I think court should know that.
The court has the will, but you can go ahead and take your time.
It
and
says
read the
subject to
entire
payment
paragraph.
of my estate duty, debts, funeral and testimonies expenses. If there's any, well, and the remainder of my cash assets in all my bank accounts, including my bank account with the Bank of Baroda and I&M, to my daughter Kalpa.
To my daughter Kalpa Chandarana.
Yeah, but listen, it
Thank
says
you.
to
Please
hold.
guide Your Honor.
No, Your
I wish
Majesty,
this
I think the
witness to be guided.
next sentence
This
is very
cross-exam.
important.
He should be quiet and answer questions as I ask. You will answer yes or no. Then your advocate will help you bring out whatever it is you want to bring out to the court.
Yeah, but
So
if
let's
you
not
are
waste
reading,
any
then
more
we should
time.
read the full paragraph, no?
Let's not waste any more time. Who was given the residential home situated in Kileleshwa?
Paragraph.
Paragraph. which one? Nimetoka. 7. Who was given the home situated in Kileleshwa? I thought you had shorthand notes. You can refer to them. We don't waste the court's time. Who was given the residential home?
Residential was to Sudha Devani. Number 7, my notes of number 7.
Sorry?
According to my notes, the Kileleshwa was given to Sudha Devani.
Is Sudha Devani alive?
No, she's not alive today.
Very well. So who is it given to then? If we're reading the same will, it talks about if in the event my wife does not survive me. Who does it give it to?
Which paragraph are you reading?
Paragraph 7.
In the event of my wife does not survive me and dies leaving my daughter Kalpa Chandarana.
Kalpa Chandarana. Thank you. Finally, who was given this property situated in Limuru? Paragraph 9.
Yeah, that was Kalpa
Kalpa
Chandarana.
Chandarana.
Yeah.
Good. Are you aware if your late brother had any previous wills?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. Your brother was a very astute businessman, correct?
I believe so.
He was an astute businessman. Would you consider that saying that your brother was quite learned and informed?
Yona, I think
I think these are judgmental decisions.
yes, indeed, Yona, that is an opinion, and Yona, we object to that line of questioning. I think let us restrict ourselves to facts which the witness can answer.
I will be guided and I'll rephrase. Do you think, or not do you think, in the way the wording of the will that you have brought before us has been phrased,
Has been?
the way it's been written,
Yeah.
I put it to you that your brother had previous wills throughout his lifetime. And in his previous wills, he identified the properties with the correct identification. Do you believe that to be true or not?
Equally, Yona, we again object to that line of questioning. Yona, the witness is being asked about wills, that he was not a party to. Yona, I would pray that we restrict, counsel restricts ourselves to questions pertaining the will that is before court. His opinion about whether he had other wills or otherwise, Yona, is not a question for the witness to answer.
That's why I've put it to him. And this is cross-exam. I can't just restrict myself to the will. Let's move on. Do you know who the Nyayo plot belonged to?
Look,
Are you aware?
I don't think I should be answering. I'm not aware.
Do you
of all
know
this.
or do
I
you
don't
not
know.
know?
I don't know.
Thank you. And which of the sisters of the deceased are you closer to?
I don't know.
You don't know if you're closer to Kalpa or Dinta?
All sisters are sisters.
To you?
To me.
No, not about your brother. How is your relationship with the first accused?
Like anybody else.
But you're an uncle, so it's like anybody else.
Okay.
But you're a blood uncle, correct?
Yes.
And how is your relationship to the complainant, Madam Kalpa?
Anybody who comes home, they are welcome. If they don't come home, I cannot welcome them.
After your brother died, did you follow up on how this will was being executed by the
No.
lawyers?
No, it's not my responsibility.
It's not your responsibility. Did you at least follow up on his wife, Suda Gaudi? Did you at least follow up to see if she was being treated well, if she got her upkeep and treatment?
Normal courtesy calls were there, but it's nothing extraordinary.
Sorry?
Normal courtesy calls were there, but nothing extraordinary.
Very well. From your statement, you can be shown your statement. You did draft a statement with the DCI,
Yes,
and that is your statement. You signed it.
yes.
When did you draft the statement?
Gosh. Well,
You can be shown. You don't have to remember it, okay?
it's dated 12th of October 23.
12th of October
23.
20?
23.
So you are saying that you are aware that your brother was summing up on the provisions of his will.
You know, in our families or in our culture,
Mm-hmm.
the man can change his will up to the last day of his death.
He can change his will up to the last.
day of it. He might have changed it. I don't know.
He might have changed it. Is that your evidence?
No, it's not an evidence. I'm giving you the general outlook
Yeah.
of the
He
families.
can change his will if he wants,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, people can change.
Yeah, people can change. But just to be certain, you were never present in the hospital when a will was being drafted, correct?
No, I was not.
And you were also never present when the codicil was purportedly being drafted, correct?
I have not.
Were you
been
present
part of
or
it.
not?
I was not present.
You were not present, you were not part of it. And you've confirmed that someone can change their mind up till their last breath,
Yes.
correct? Yeah. Are you aware that your brother had transferred some of his companies before his demise?
I wouldn't know, please.
You would deny. That's an okay answer. And would you know, at the time your brother was still alive during his lifetime, do you know which of the sisters he was running the company Pelikan Signs alongside?
Sisters.
Which of the daughters between Shilpa, Kalpa, and Dinta, which of them was running Pelikan Signs alongside your brother? Would you know?
Both of them. From what we know, it's Kalpa and Dinta. Both.
Kalpa and Dinta. Both of them together.
Yeah.
Okay. And while your brother was abroad, who was managing his affairs?
I wouldn't know.
You wouldn't know. Okay. So you were only involved at the time when the reading of the will came to you. That's all from me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I have the first will that was read to the public. You have the will that was read.
Yeah, I have.
Have it. Look at it.
Okay.
You can give him the will. Not the policy, the will. You have it?
Yes.
Who are the witnesses in that will?
There's Dr. Malkit Shia. He looks like a doctor.
A doctor, and another one?
And Shahid Ali. I don't know him.
Huh?
Dr. Shahid Ali.
Those are the witnesses.
They are the witnesses, yes.
Go to the court scene. The second one is called a court.
Which one is court, sir? Sorry, which document is that?
The first will, according to the complainant, it was read in public and she was bequeathed. Later, another one surfaced where she was not given anything. So I'm looking for the first one.
Yes, we are on the first one.
Yes. The witnesses are not the complainants. True, they are doctors.
I wouldn't know.
You know your sister, that's what I'm asking.
Is my daughter.
Is your sister witness there?
Sorry.
Is your sister a
No, I
witness?
have no sister who has said this.
All right. Let's go to the court scene. The one that is alleged to
I'm
be.
not understanding you.
You know, I think maybe for the benefit of my senior, Mr. Omari, the codicil is not known to the witness. You have not.
We can show you a copy.
Show him. I'm only showing him. Just look at it. I'm only asking about witnesses. Nothing.
I wouldn't know because I wasn't there
I
when
want
they
you
were
to
being
sit and
witnessed.
tell the court you don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's so simple.
Yeah.
Do you know the witness?
Number two, I definitely don't know who this person is. And this is Devani, but this is not her handwriting. This is
You
the
there?
first signature. There's the name of Sudha Gauri. This is not Mrs. Devani's writing from what I know.
Do you know them?
And number two is not a person known to us.
What I've asked is a simple thing. Do you know the names there?
I know the first one. I don't know the second one.
Tell us who the first one
Sudha
is.
Gauri. Sudha Gauri was Balkrishna's wife. But the handwriting at the bottom is not her handwriting. I'm not an expert, but I can tell you.
You confirm you're not an expert
I'm not an expert.
in writing on that.
No.
You have told the court that a will is not permanent. You can write as many wills as possible,
That is, I have seen in my life.
and that is the law. And this will, if it was written last, supersedes the previous one.
But those signatures you have to verify.
Are you an expert of signatures?
I'm not expert on
Thank
wills.
you.
as
You
well.
have no further question.